This, my friends, is something called Farrago, a tool that is also created by Amoeba. This is the company that makes audio hijack and loopback and other software. And I'm testing some things today. So I added, for example, the Getting Simple music. So I can press the letter 1 and I can say, hey, it's Nono. And this is the Getting Simple podcast. Hi everyone, it's Nono here. So this is just a test, right? So there are sounds here. So what you were listening, if you started playing the live stream from the beginning, was a funky loop. It's something that comes by default, so I can press. And now we have some background music, right? So what this does is that I can press 2 again and stop that block, or press 2 again and play it. And there are some options here that let you modulate the volume of each of the audio samples. Also add a fade in, fade out duration for the beginning and the end of the track, that if you're looping will repeat. Solo means if it plays, everything else, all the other sounds will disappear. So you can see I can play the card leave with A. Both play at the same time. If I play this funky loop and then I play the card leave, the funky loop actually stops, right? So that's the solo function. And allow pausing, I can pause and continue playing from where it was paused. And if you don't loop, it will just play once. So if I do that, this one will just stop playing. I know some people mix this with the Elgato Stream Deck, I think, so you can have the keys on your hand or something instead of having to use the program with the shortcuts. But, you know, I bought the license for this a while ago and I hadn't used it, so it's good that we are playing with it. Okay, and it's satisfying to have some sound effects on the podcast. Maybe we can have some of this music when I'm coding and focus without talking. So maybe this, or maybe for the break, like, oh, I'm gonna take a break, and then I disappear and then I can fade everything out. I'm back. Cool, so that's Farrago. Let's just play a bit with these things. Well, let's see the rock loop. Classic rock loop. And downbeat loop. Okay, so sad trombone, side whistle, badum ching, which we played, gong, okay, car leave, we already played that one, car horn, car screech, and car crash. Ooh. Okay, the ring, bike bell, scream. Let's put this one a bit lower. I'm not sure how disturbing this is. Okay, glass break, fog horn, thunder. We got the laser. Ambience. Let's see, so this is alt 1. Street ambience. Rain. Car interior. Night ambience. And crowd. Alright. So this is Farrago. Okay, I hope that was useful. Feel free to like the video if you enjoyed this content, and to subscribe if you want to get notified when I upload future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.